You got a program in here. Okay. I put the handle on there.
Jesus.
I know, don't get too close.
Yeah, let me turn off that.
So what RPM is the spindle running at?
That's 2,000.
Okay, sounds pretty smooth.
That should be 3,000, but I don't know.
What's the maximum on this? 6?
I don't know.
And then can I see it go up in Z again? I missed that before.
Here,
I want to show them that it's a true 3-axis.
DRO, jog slow.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Yep.
So I don't know. I think that's a true 3-axis if you ask me.
Yeah.
And then jog it in X and Y too. There we Y. Okay, cool. Do you have a little command to make the forklift drive it around the warehouse or not?
That's the nice thing about it though is because you can pick it up, move it to whatever machine you need to do your second option.
Right. Now you said there was a floppy drive on this one because I didn't see it.
Right around the back here.
You got to, is that the one that's covered up that you got to unscrew it?
There's 2 of them in here.
Because I already took a picture of those there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you got 2 of them. Really nice. Okay, cool.
I think one's the system and one's storage.
Okay, cool. Yeah. If you broke that cover, I'm not taking responsibility for that.
Let's make another one.
Yeah, looks like you cleaned it up and it's got plenty of lube on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where'd all those chips come from?
Well, you were making money. You were making chips.
There.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.